petition should not be lingering in the offices of speaker, in the offices of other government district. It should be disposed. People have to get justice. So we as legislators, we as the office of the speaker, office of the Goa Legislative Assembly, where laws are being framed and made. So we feel that justice should be given to anybody. Like Prasad Gaonkar has filed a petition. He should get justice. Or Vishwajit, where the sword is hanging on his head, he should get justice.
पण तुम्ही आता केसींतल्यान पेटिशनांतल्यान गेले आसतले कितली वेटेज आहा ते
See,
स्ट्रॉंग
we have seen the petition and the right decision has to be taken. For this, I am also taking the advice from senior counsels. So we are looking at every angle of the petition, and right decision will come out.
केन्ना हियरिंग दवरला तुम्ही 2 तारीख बी अशी कितें
I think the hearing is on 2nd or 3rd.
एमजीबीचे 2 जे हितून येयले बीजेपीन येयले त्यांची केस हायकोर्टान आयकट्यान घातल्या वांगणकर म्हणटा
See, the decision I think will not be taken by High Court. High Court may send it back to us to decide. Yeah. So I feel that the decision should be taken in the office of Speaker first. It is the petition pertaining to Goa Legislative Assembly, where the Speaker heads it. I am their acting Speaker right now. The new Speaker who will come, he may take the decision on that. But if I am there till May or June, I will take the decision.
ओके पण तुम्ही रिप्लाय करतले हायकोर्टाक काय तुम्ही सायलेंट राहता
I don't think I should reply to this matter. It has been a tradition that Speaker's office never replies, and we are always silent about it because the petition has to come back to us and we will decide on it. So let the High Court give the necessary orders on that.